Hey, welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BOSCH Series 6 WGG244ZCGB AntiStain 9kg 1400 spin washing machine in graphite. We'll guide you through the design, the specifications, and the range of features that makes this a versatile option for modern homes. Let's dive in. This freestanding machine comes in a graphite finish that gives it a sleek, modern presence with a wide opening silver grey door that makes loading and unloading simple. At its heart is powered by the EcoSilence Drive motor, designed for efficiency and quieter operation. Anti-vibration sidewalls help to reduce movement and keep the appliance steady even during fast spins, making it feel solid and reliable. With a 9kg drum capacity, this washer handles medium to larger households with ease. It supports a maximum spin speed of 1400 revolutions per minute, giving strong water extraction so your clothes come out cleaner and quicker to dry. And if you're washing delicate fabrics, the spin can be reduced to protect the fibers. Energy performance is measured at the top A class, combining good cleaning power with careful use of resources. In the Eco 4060 program, consumption is around 49 kWh per 100 cycles, with average water use of 50 liters per wash. Noise levels are kept low, with just 71 decibels recorded during spinning, which helps keep the laundry routine less intrusive. The highlight of this Series 6 model is the breadth of its programs. Everyday essentials like cotton, synthetics, and mixed load cover the basics, while the delicate and wool cycles are tuned for fabrics that need gentle care. The quick wash 15-minute option is handy for refreshing light worn clothes, and a dedicated sportswear program looks after active fabrics. Hygiene Plus ensures deeper cleaning by maintaining consistent heat and extending rinses, a useful choice for bedding and baby clothes. The anti-stain system works intelligently to remove 4 of the most frequent types of stains, automatically adjusting time, drum action, and temperature. There's also an iron assist program which uses steam to reduce wrinkles, making ironing easier. For those who need speed, Speed Perfect shortens cycle times by up to 65% without compromising on results. And with programs like duvet and rinse spin, larger or specific household items are also covered. Altogether, you've got a wide selection that matches well to both everyday laundry and more specialized needs. Control is straightforward, with a central rotary dial supported by modern display. The LCD shows program settings, time remaining, and options you've selected. Delay start lets you schedule washes up to 24 hours ahead, while the reload function allows you to pause and add forgotten garments mid-cycle. Active Water Plus adjusts water use to match the load. Aqua Stop provides leak protection, and extra safety comes with a child lock on the controls. In terms of size, the machine measures 84.5 cm in height, 59.8 in width, and up to 63.2 in depth when factoring in the door and controls. It weighs just over 72 kilograms, fitting neatly into most kitchen or utility room layouts while staying sturdy and dependable. Altogether, the BOSCH Series 6 WGG244ZCGB AntiStain Washing Machine combines solid build quality with a generous set of programs and thoughtful details that support a variety of washing needs. It is a practical choice for families and households who need efficiency, flexibility, and consistently good results. This product deserves your attention. Thank you.